Hey guys, it's James with Hydro-Brite. Today we're going to explain the soft wash process. Today we did soft washing on a residential customer here in Euless, Texas. We started by pulling up and greeting the customer, doing a walk around on the house to figure out what kind of scope of work we're looking at and what the customer the concerns that they had and the areas that they wanted clean. We also do a sweep of the house, looking at the windows, the trim, the eaves, pretty much looking for any problems, any areas on the house that we need to address and let the homeowner know before we get working. The chemicals that we use do not hurt any part of the house in any way. We just want to let people know if their seals are bad on their windows, why they're starting to smell, a chemical smell. We pull up, we get our equipment out. After we go through the walkthrough, we pull our equipment around the house and we start saturating the house or the building. That's going to allow the absorption factor into the brick. Not so much siding because it's plastic and it's not really absorbent, but mostly on the brick, the masonry work, the stone work. We allow the water to sit in and then we start applying our detergents. We allow our detergents, which are safe for animals, people, safe to the touch, safe for plants. We allow those to sit on the surface for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the temperature outside, the humidity. Even the sun has a lot to do with applying chemicals. When we see that the chemicals are working, we then do a low pressure rinse. This is where most people get in trouble at this step. Most people or homeowners think that you should power wash or pressure wash the side of your home. That is not the case most of the time. Power washing, such as a machine like this, has way too much PSI, pressure. It's not so much the flow and the amount of gallons per minute coming out, but it is the pressure can be detrimental to seals, can blow siding off. You do not want anybody power washing or pressure washing the side of your home. Soft washing, yes, that's what this machine over here is for. It is dedicated soft wash system, low pressure system, so we don't do any damage to your home. After we've let those chemicals sit, we low pressure rinse it. Any areas that have to be hand scrubbed, we will hand scrub those, and then we wait for it to dry. And as it's drying, we're walking around, checking our work, because obviously we don't want to come back and we want to make our customers happy the first time. And we go and greet the customer again, have them come out, look at the work. If they see any areas for us to touch up, we will absolutely touch those up. We had to do it today. We didn't see some areas that were still dirty because they were wet, and once they dried, we saw them. Customer saw it, let us know, and we fixed it. So I hope that explains a little bit more of the process of soft washing versus pressure washing. There are proper times to use pressure washing. On the side of a home is not a proper time. Have a great day. Bye.